Samsung's Galaxy Book laptop range saw the biggest change up and upgrades to the lineup since the introduction of it all from 2021, and this was mainly down to the addition of the Galaxy Book 3 Ultra, ushering a new age in ultra laptop computing from Samsung for creators and power users alike. Moving things forward, we now have the Book 4 Ultra, Book 4 Pro, and Book 4 Pro 360. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy new and exclusive videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV. Here's a quick first look at Samsung's Galaxy Book 4 series here at CES 2024 in Las Vegas. Let's start with the Galaxy Book 4 Ultra. This is Samsung's second generation Ultra laptop following up from the Book 3 Ultra we reviewed and tested. A lot of it looks the same as before in terms of the looks and design, so see this as an evolution of the product. Specs wise, this is based on Intel's new 14th generation Core Ultra 9 and Core Ultra 7 Intel Evo Edition chipsets with up to 64GB of RAM, which is double the max RAM from before, and up to 2TB of storage, and the option of the NVIDIA RTX 4050 and 4070 dedicated GPU for graphics. One thing I'm glad to see is the addition of HDMI 2.1 with the ability to output 8K 60Hz and 5K 120Hz, as the previous Book 3 Ultra was limited to HDMI 2.0 with a max 4K 60Hz output. We still have a micro SD card slot, which for a 16-inch laptop, it would have been great to see a full-size SD card slot, a 3.5mm audio port, a USB-A port, and two Thunderbolt 4 ports in the shape of USB-C with support for charging. Speaking of charging and battery, the Book 4 Ultra is packing a 76Wh battery with charging capabilities increased to 140 watts. Display-wise, it's par for the course of what to expect from Samsung with a 16-inch 16:10 aspect ratio screen with a 2880x1800 resolution, a variable refresh rate between 48 to 120 Hz using dynamic AMOLED tech, and touch capabilities, which is great to see as a new addition which was limited to the 360 model previously. I can't say I'm happy with the off-center position of the trackpad still being a thing, but I will say the new Intel chipset, more RAM, storage, HDMI 2.1 does give me confidence that Samsung does listen to feedback, and the Book 4 Ultra does see improvements that so far make it seem worthwhile. Let's now look at the Book 4 Pro 360 and the Book 4 Pro. The Book 4 Pro 360 still comes in a 16-inch form factor, while the Book 4 Pro only comes in a 14-inch form factor like before. Specs-wise, both models are based on the same Intel 14th Gen Core Ultra 7 and the Core Ultra 5 Evo Edition chipsets with up to 32GB of RAM and up to 1TB of SSD storage, and Intel Arc graphics built on board using shared memory. Display specifications-wise are exactly the same as found on the Book 4 Ultra on both models, which also includes touch support. Ports-wise, again, it's exactly the same with HDMI 2.1 support, with the only difference being the battery size at 63 Wh on the Book 4 Pro due to the 14-inch form factor compared to the 76 Wh battery on the Book 4 Pro 360. Of course, the 360 name signifies the 360 nature of the double hinge, allowing for different form factors to be used in ways like temp mode, tablet mode with pen input, and more. As the 14-inch laptop form factor is my preferred choice, it's great to see the improvements brought forward to it, and I do hope in the future Samsung will find a way to include a full-size SD card slot and even maybe a dedicated NVIDIA GPU, but for now the overall upgrade to the lineup is looking good. What's your thoughts on the Galaxy Book 4 series? Let us know in the comment section below. For the latest news in the world of Samsung Daily, be sure to visit us at SamMobile.com. And for the latest videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.